Good day, sir. This is Jeremiah Sobreo from Vicente G2B, and today we will be explaining to you the uses of pointed arrow in this publication. We can see here the title. Title is Admiralty Notice to Mariners, Section 2. This publication is weekly edition 20. You can see here below is the date May 16, 2024, and below is the publication, following publication. And the next page, you can see the year 2024 in the upper part of the page, and this is the date of publication. And below is the chart, the following chart publication. And the next page is the same from the top page, the continuous of publication. We'll proceed to the fourth page, which is Admiralty chart and publication now published. This is the available vessel in the publication. We have here the following. It has the name of the vessels and it has scale. Next page, the fifth page, which is the same from the last page. It is also the continuation of chart publication. We have here the last page. The last page is all about Admiralty charts and publication. This publication is to be published, so it means it is not published already. And thank you.